Hello, everyone. Welcome to Losers Become Winners for November 27th. Dominion falls to 17%, still in the profit zone, and keeps the lead for the Tigers. So let's go look at that chart. There it is. No, there's Till. Let's go back to Dominion. Here we go. Yeah. All right. It's the day before Thanksgiving, and I got a lot of little chores to do to keep the wife happy. So that's what my mind is not totally on this. I apologize, but we're going to work through it. There we go. Let's get over here. Okay. All right. There's our picture. So we are in the profit zone. What that means, we are on one of these exits in here. We're on this black line exit. It moved up a little bit, but the main thing is that we're looking for is a high-low high. This low came in at 83.03. This one came in at 83.01. So I need a low greater than or equal to 83.02. Yeah, I know it's pennies, just splitting hairs, but that's how the high-low system works. And again, I've suggested, I mentioned it many times, uh, that is a day trader strategy. I'm using it here in swing trading because why? I want to hold on to the profit. That's what makes day traders successful. They learn how to hold on to the profits. The same thing with portfolio managers. When portfolio managers don't deal in options, they deal in stocks. And their exit is anything that goes over 20%, between 15 to 25%. That's their profit zone and their take zone. So we have our zone here. Okay, Dominion's there. Nothing else we can do about it. Going on to TLT. Here at TLT, we are in a profit zone also, and we are looking for, let me move things a little bit bigger so we can see everything a lot clearer. There we go. We are in this zone here. We do have our formation. We'll look for Monday, Friday. I guess Friday is the trading day, so it'll be a half day. But following Monday will be a full day. So if we TLT can get a nice little up here, then we can move it up to here because you'll still be in the profit zone rules. That said, let's move over now to the alphas. Okay, the alphas. Oh, look at this. XLV moved up, but look at XLY. That's a major move. It was down here in the basement yesterday, and Save was somewhere in the middle. But look, Save also has moved up. But we're not talking about the losers, only the winners. So let's go look at our position for XLV. So XLV is here. There is our profit day that I had anticipated off the ATR. We are in profit for the trade. That's for the trade. Now we're looking for is to get above this line to get, and remember that we're all going here is for the low, can you zoom in a little closer? We're only going here is for the low-hanging fruit of getting our money back from Life, LIFS, that died, and it'll be 242, and we're $55. So, well, we're slightly under $200 on the go, and that's pretty much all we can do. We are in a profit zone. That's true. There's a word I write there, profit zone, to let me know what rules I'm using for my exits, because sometimes things will go up and down, and then you're like, oh, did I initiate a profit rule or did I not? Or then you go back and research your work, and it's like, just mark, use all the text you can on the chart. This is your trade journal, because once the trade is done, you don't need to know what the trade did 3 months ago. You need to know what the trade did yesterday, and it closed out yesterday, and how you're going to go with the next if it still owes you money. All right, let's move on to XLY. XLY is here, and XLY is also a low-hanging fruit of 316, and we're at 262. Oh, that's sweet. Another $54. Yeah, we get $54 more out of this. We can retire AMC. Now XLY does owe us 4334 from this last trade. So what happens when XLY loses in an attempt to recoup a low-hanging fruit, that loss cannot be accumulated to the AMC or the dead loss leader. It's dead. Can't add more to it. So it goes and becomes part of the indebtedness to XLY. So we'll be visiting XLY again in the future because it owes us 434 from the last trade, and I would have to call up the records to see if they owe us any more money beyond that. And that's, oh, look at this. I just saw that. We have a little bit of a gain on RCL for 227. Okay, let's go take a look there. All right. Oh, this is work. This is kind of nice. Now they owe us $813. Oh, the lost leaders here for the alphas. I just did an account this morning, and it came out to, now you see 68. Small drum roll. No, not very big. 66. Yay! Look at that. There are only 66 lost leaders now for the alphas, and I'm gonna have to put alpha in front because there are some trades that do show up from the two groups. So alpha has lost leaders of 66. The tigers have 20. So RCL is 813. We're at 262. Not bad. Let's do a real quick numbers here. So we'll do numbers. So we're owed 813. We are up to 262. I'm sorry. 227. Aha, right there. 227. That means we have $586 to go. We have 7 contracts in play. So that means 7 contracts, and that divided by 100, because each contract is 100 shares. We have 84 cents to go. So let's mark it off at 84 cents. And that's for the option. That's what the option needs to move. What do we need? We need to do is go to Delta now, and in Delta, our RCL, the Delta is at 55. So now we'll come back to our 55. Divide Delta into the movement of the needed movement of the option, and we need $1.53. So we need $1.53 above this close to get the payback of the 813. So let's move that up a little higher because this is going to happen. I'm going to add this up. 153 plus today's close, and today's close was 121.30, 121.30, 122.83. So we'll use our price leveler. We'll put it here, draw it out this way, come to our pan. Oh, what happened? Oh, I know, I hit it too hard and it zoomed in. It's sometimes these platform softwares are not totally perfect. Okay, here's our lost leaders. This is our, oh, come on, get down here. Okay, and now we need to double click here. There we go. And we drop in 122.83. Okay, and we change the color to green. That's our target. All right, there we are. Now, next, we had 1.53. So how do I get my vertical line? To get my vertical line, we come here and we look at the ATR, which is 232. You see right there, 232. So I go divide 2.32, and we are 1 day away. We are 1 day away. So what we do, we take the trend line, and we'll go to the 27th. Nothing on the 28th. There it is. So technically, we should be in the profit. We should be in the well, already are in the profit zone for the trade. So we are past. We're getting crossing the date line and here. So our money is sitting here. Our payback is sitting here, and that pretty much wraps it up for the winners and losers. If things go well, we just might be celebrating red sweater guy next week with 1 or 2 losers being retired to the winner's circle. Other than that, we are done here for the day. Let's go and wrap it up. I thank you for coming. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Love you all for coming in. Loving you all for checking it out. And leave your comments below to see if this is any beneficial. All right. Other than that, big hug, big hugs, and happy Thanksgiving. Bye bye.